Williams will go to the line. Here is the tying three in the all-time record. And Stephen Curry knows he's got one more to go to stand alone. Alec Burks guarding him from the start. Wiggins again. Here's Curry for the record. It's good! There it is! Stephen Curry, the all-time three-point king in the NBA. 3-pointer, number 2974. The man who changed the game. The igniter of the three-point revolution in the NBA. And now he stands alone at the top of the three-point list.
And you think about this, the way he changed the game, it's almost like how Babe Ruth changed baseball with the long ball. He has changed the game with the three-point ball. How all 30 teams approach the game is because of number 30. And this is an absolute awesome experience to be able to witness, to see Ray Allen and now Stephen Curry, and an emotional hug here with his father, Dell Curry.
Saw Dell, saw his mother Sonia. Bob McKillop, his college coach at Davidson, is here as well. The man standing right next to Coach McKillop is Larry Riley. He was the man who drafted Stephen Curry as a member of the Golden State Warriors. What a moment this must be.
And the degree of difficulty, right? Doesn't matter if you've got 1, 2, 3 guys on him. Alec Burks closing quickly. A long three as Curry holds the record. There's Sonia, his mother, in attendance as well. Quick release, nothing but the bottom.
What a moment. And here it comes. An embrace with Ray Allen. Ray Allen broke Reggie Miller's record in 2011. It was February 10th. And now Stephen Curry breaks Ray Allen's record. Tuesday, December 14th at Madison Square Garden, a 28-footer. Stephen Curry, the all-time three-point champion here in the NBA. Stay tuned as Under Armour pays tribute to Steph Curry, the best three-point shooter in NBA history.